Vegan Lemon and Coconut Cheesecake. Ingredients: 1½ cups cashews, soaked overnight. 1 cup coconut cream. ½ cup coconut oil, melted. 1/3 cup maple syrup. 1/4 cup lemon juice. Zest of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup shredded coconut. 1 cup almond flour. 1/4 cup coconut sugar. 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. A pinch of salt. Instructions: in a food processor, blend soaked cashews, coconut cream, melted coconut oil, maple syrup, lemon juice, lemon zest, and vanilla extract until they are smooth. In a separate bowl, mix shredded coconut, almond flour, coconut sugar, melted coconut oil, and a pinch of salt until combined. Press the coconut mixture into the bottom of a lined cake tin to form the crust. Pour the cashew filling over the crust and smooth the top with a spatula. Freeze for at least 4 hours or until set. Once set, remove from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. Garnish with lemon slices, shredded coconut, and fresh mint leaves if desired. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more vegan and gluten-free recipes.